friends, and welcome back. If you're new, my name is Stephanie. I am a fourth grade teacher. Today is going to be kind of like a combined video, it's going to be my last classroom setup vlog, but also open houses tonight. So I just wanted to show you my last touches on my classroom and how I'm preparing for open house. But before we do any of that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me and others find my channel and my video, so please do that. So it is 10:30. We didn't have to be here until 12 because open house is from 3 to 7, so we had a later report time. However, I had a few things that I needed to take care of, such as if you haven't seen my previous classroom setup vlogs, I will link them down below and you need to go watch those. But I did my schedule cards, but they are just slightly too big, and since I have 2 blocks, I needed to do double of the same thing, if that makes sense. And then my little circle time cards are too big as well, so I reprinted and cut those yesterday. I have to get the packets together for open house tonight, so the parents can come in and fill them out hopefully before they leave, so that's taken care of. What else do I have to do? I need to see if I can get 4 more desks in my room. I need to make a couple copies, or a few copies, because I made little notes for my students for when they come in, and I'm gonna give them suckers if that's, if their parents let them, but just something simple to give them. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as setup goes. The desks are the big things, and then I brought in the caddies that have been sitting in my car for the past week and a half, so I'm gonna sit those out. But yeah, so let me show you the classroom. So here is the front of my room. That's my student station. I still need to clean up that just a little bit. I need to hang up my clock as well. Those are the schedule cards that I need to redo, so I have to take the magnets off and put them on the new ones, and then I don't know, I feel like I should just keep those just in case. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna keep those. Front board is done. I finally got up W, X, Y, and Z. Desk is done. All of this is done. Here are the caddies that I have to put out. I still haven't gotten bulbs for my string lights. That's probably not going to happen before the first day of school, but that's totally fine. I hung up the quote. Library. Birthdays. Don't have access to Infinite Campus, so I haven't been able to put birthdays there. Those are packets for open house tonight. It's my classroom jobs. Made these on PowerPoint, inspired by Haley Teaches on Instagram and YouTube. Here is my small group area / teacher area. And we're back to the front. So yeah, let me start taking care of some of those things, and I will check back in with you guys a little later. So I put out all of the forms on the desk and put pins everywhere, and I was trying to be cute, so I stopped at Five Below to get the suckers that I put right here, and then I got this 4th grade blow up balloon. And reading is fundamental, because apparently you can't blow this up without a valve, however you say it. Like, I just destroyed this whole thing because I thought it was like a traditional balloon where you just blow it up and you move on about your day. That was completely wrong, so don't be like me. Read before you buy, because now I can't even use it. So now I can't be cute for open house, but we're gonna press on. So now what I'm going to do is see about getting my little notes cut out for my students. Let me show you. I just made these on PowerPoint as well. Okay, so here are the little notes. It just says, hello, my name is Miss Watson. I'm so excited to be your 4th grade teacher. We are going to have an amazing year and we'll be learning so much. I hope you had an awesome summer and I can't wait to hear all about it. I'm looking forward to seeing you on August 4th along with the rest of the class. See you soon. So I'm going to cut these out, and I don't know, I was going to staple the suckers to the note, but I feel like that's a lot and excessive. So I think I'm going to, I don't know what I should do, because I want them to have this, but I want the students to have something special. Maybe I'll just put it on each desk and then the parents can take it and that'll be that. Maybe, I don't know. By the time you guys see this, open house will be over, but let me know down below what you guys would have done. So yeah, let me get on that. Okay, so I still I figured out how to blow it up. It came with a valve. It's a little straw. Y'all, I'm slow or I'm sleepy, one or the other. So now I have to figure out where I want to put it, and I'll show you guys after.